What's up, player?
Me and Myra gotta get our birds.
What you talking about, Willie?
There's one, and there's two. Those are the two birds me and Myra are about to get right now.
Oh yeah!
We got the food that we're gonna be giving them for now. The cage. Word, let's go. Myra went to go get her card because she forgot it in the car. We weren't even supposed to be getting birds today. I mean, yeah, I know, I said it yesterday that we were supposed to be getting the birds today, but then there was a little hiccup where we had to kind of wait. Luckily, we can get them today.
Okay.
So, we're getting these guys, and they're coming home with us today before someone else wants them.
My nigga.
So, well, right here. Excuse me. Is there anybody that can help me out with the birds? I'm trying to get 2 birds. Thank you. Word. I was looking for someone to help me out with the birds. Found someone. So that's what we're about to do right now. Let's go. Hey, Myra. Getting birds today?
I know, yes.
I'm vlogging right now. I forgot my camera at home since we didn't even know we're doing this.
Yeah, I know.
We out here though. Look at Myra's bird right there stretching. And then where's mine? Where's mine at? Where
allá
you?
arriba?
Oh, look at him right there. He's chilling.
Gotta get him some keys though.
We're gonna go get him some good stuff. But word, we out here. So I found out that birds with a pink nose, like this guy, are boys when they're babies. And then birds, where's yours?
Right here, in the sticks still.
Oh.
She's just hiding.
She's hiding, but she has a white nose. So, wait, that's not my guy.
Isn't it? Or is it this one?
Look at him right here.
Oh, my bad.
I'm like, hold on a sec. That's not mine because his back looks different.
Oh, there you go. He's there.
Yeah, he's right there. Hey, you see his pink nose? That's a boy. We out here. Hey, little guy. You gotta come home. You too. Where you at? Right there. Still sleeping. She's knocked out. Had a long night?
Probably.
What's you naming her?
I don't know. I'm between Nico Robin, short for Robin, or Monet. So.
Wait, say it again. My hands are covered.
Nico Robin, short for Robin, or Monet. So
Word.
I don't know yet.
I will be, I don't know, Captain Falcon, Falco. Captain Falcon, Falco, Pidgey. I'm not sure because if I name it Pidgey, then I'm gonna have to evolve it every time it grows, right? So then it's gonna turn into Pidgeotto and then Pidgeot when it's a full-grown adult. That'll be pretty dope. But I'm not sure yet. Not sure. So let me know what you guys think. Damn, we're actually getting the birds today. I wish Havoc was here so we could have done it with him.
Yeah.
Damn, see, like I said, this was so unexpected. We didn't even, yes, we knew we were gonna get birds, but we didn't expect to get them today. Like we said, we had a little hiccup. But the hiccup is gone, and I think we can get them today. So, let's go.
Days we'll take it to the vet.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
So yeah, just make sure you get lots of toys for him. And that was feisty.
I think that's yours, dude.
I'll be training them.
A little feisty.
Mine is really quiet.
Right, yours is all calm. Which one was yours? The first one?
No, mine was the first one.
So yours was the one that easily went in the box?
Yeah.
Yeah. One's all calm. That one was hard to get in the box.
Yeah, I love training animals. I got my dogs fully trained. He was actually here the other day. We were gonna pick him up on Saturday, and we didn't. We were like, hold on, let's hold off. Let's look up more research. And I'm a huge animal person. So.
Do you train dogs for a living?
No. I did work at a vet hospital for a little bit, but no, I'm a mixed martial artist now. So.
Do you need a part-time job dog training?
I would love to.
Because we're looking for another dog trainer.
Really?
I mean, even if it's 2 days to make up the 2 days that we don't have a dog trainer.
Wow, yeah, we can do that.
Go on petco.com/careers. And you'll see that I have the dog trainer rec open.
Nice.
So if you're interested, definitely, I'm the hiring manager.
What?
Oh, nice.
So I mean,
Oh, wow.
yeah.
Perfect.
If you would love to join our team, I would love somebody that.
What is poppin'?
Wow, the fact that that just happened, I potentially can get a dog training job as we're buying birds.
Yeah.
That's pretty dope. But right now we're looking at toys. I'm looking at this and this.
I want to train mine to play basketball.
Yeah, we can so do this. Figure out what to do with the mirror. Apparently the mirror, I mean, I heard the mirror, if you block it or something, it'll be fine, but it can mess with their psychological well-being, mental,
Yeah.
I don't know, some weird stuff.
They go like insane a little bit.
Yeah, so, all right, so we got that. Do you want to get this?
Yeah.
And that's it for now?
Or you want to get those little balls with the...
Oh, shoot, that's cool.
It has like a little tiny ball. So I'm sure it doesn't make a lot.
Yeah, we can get this instead. It's cheaper. All right, we out here. Let's go get these birds paid for and everything. So, got the birds. And not going home yet. Gotta go see the doctors real quick.
I'll show you around.
Got a quick doctor's appointment. After that, Havoc got a vet appointment, so I can go drop the birds off, put them in the crate, in the cage real quick. And then I get to go to Havoc's vet appointment.
Hey, dude.
And then from there, that's it. Do Havoc's little vet thing, because they got to check out, you know, he actually just had surgery not too long ago, so they got to go check him out. Once they do that, then I can come and hang out with the bird. And officially name him. Not sure what we're naming him yet, but actually,
I think I already have my name.
you think so?
Yeah. She's gonna be Robin.
Robin?
Well, Nico Robin, but Robin for short.
Alright, Nico Robin for short. And then I want to name mine Captain Falcon because Captain Falcon is my favorite Super Smash Bros. Character. But I don't know.
Pidgey would have been cool.
No, Pidgey's dope too. And then Falco, come on now. Falco just sounds dope. It just sounds too dope. So I gotta figure out what I'm doing. But
What's up?
let me get to this doctor's appointment. It shouldn't be long. So
What's up, dude?
let's get straight to it.
We only went there to go see them. We literally just bought them.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Yo, we've been seeing these damn birds since Saturday. And we're like, yo, if they're still there, it's meant to be. And it was meant to be.
We were supposed to only go there and see them, not buy them today.
Well,
But she's pretty calm. Hi.
he's in there. But we just got here to the doctor's.
I'll show you around.
I'll be out of here real soon.
I'll be right there.
Deuces. Alright, so just finished at the doctor's. On our way home. I gotta go home real quick, drop things off. I'm gonna try to put the birds in the cage quick. I'm already late for Havoc's appointment. So I'm just gonna finagle something real quick. Let them know, you know? You know. But we out here. We about to put these birds in the cage. I'm like down the street from the house. I'm right now rushing. This one gotta go to work real soon.
In like 15 minutes.
Yeah, I gotta go to freaking Havoc's vet appointment. After that, I gotta go see some sponsors and stuff. Shout out to my homie Made in America and Dugout Barbershop. I gotta go check both of you guys out real quick. And then go from there. And later on, I'm gonna keep the vlog going. The vlog ain't gonna finish yet. I'm gonna go take Havoc to the vet. Show you guys a little bit over there. Then come home, do what I gotta do so you guys can see the birds afterwards too. So it's gonna be a good vlog. Let's get it.
You smoking?
Flogger.
What that is you smoking?
Flogger, what that is you smoking?
Flocker?
Flogger.
How I feel?
How it feel?
How do it make you feel?
How do it make you feel?
What you smoking?
What you smoking? Flogger.
Flocker, flocker. Now go ahead and hit your dance.